In the Fiddle is a Song by Durga Bernhard. In the acorn is a tree waiting to grow tall. In the clay is a pot waiting to be shaped. In the grass is a nest waiting to be built. In the wheat is bread waiting to be baked. In the fiddle is a song waiting to be played. In the thread is a weaving waiting to be spun. In the cloud is a storm waiting to bring rain. In the blossom is a plum waiting for the sun. In the larva is a butterfly waiting to unfold. In you is a story waiting